Hi there, Caroline here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my spread for the second week of May. This time I tried to record some footage with my phone from a different angle. As usual, I already have the pencil lines done, so I started out with a Sakura Micron in 01 for the outlines. As I mentioned in my last video, I'm trying out a different tracker style. I'll be tracking my habits every week, and every spread will have a little tracker table. I was kinda reconsidering tracking my habits weekly because of the style of the layout that I've chosen, but I already committed to have a tracking table for every week. This month's theme is water lilies, and I was thinking what I could add to the spread, so I thought, why not fishes? And if fishes, koi fishes, why not? There are a lot of artworks on koi fishes with water lilies, and I thought that would be a really nice combination. I also thought it would look awesome to have the artwork go slightly slanted at the center of the page, with the koi swimming around the water lilies. I wasn't sure what color to make the water lilies, but I really felt like painting it pink, and the koi fish in that very pretty orange shade. I feel like the fishes give the page such a nice color contrast. The way I painted everything in was in layers, starting out with the lightest shades and gradually going darker, making sure to let the layers dry in between each coat. I used my hairdryer again to help me with the drying process. For the weekly days, I just kept it simple in some swirly header-like font with the numbers above them. I feel like I'm getting slowly the jits of drawing, and I'm getting faster doing my spreads, but I still have to learn a lot. I'm still considering trying out different media in the future, like colored pencils or the scrapbook style. As finishing touches, I added some gold accent color. I think this is my favorite spread that I've done so far. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and until next time, bye!